Hey guys, welcome back to Magnum swims. You can see the recipe I got nice man, eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Hey guys, you can see welcome back to our cooking video. Recipe for today, some Magnum swims. I'm gonna show you all of my ingredients when we prepare my recipe. First on the list, we have the ketchup right here. We have some sauce, seasoning, also seasoning some sweet corn. We have the Magnum, we have the egg, scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, pepper, and pimento. Remember to like and share Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. This recipe is eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking, tastable. Starting by running some water to the sink. You see it here, and just like this. I'm going to rinse them off, as you can see. And some vinegar to the water right there. Cut away the rawness. Some seasoning and some more. A pinch of these on it. Flavor it and colorful. Also some Magnum. That's really enough. Calc of these on it. So I'm going to rub in the seasoning, right? The recipe is going nice and tastable. Eatable. Just going to stay in a seasoning for 6 hours, right? It's soaking right here. Starting my triple onion like this, right? With purple onion. You have a small layer in it, you have to strip it good enough. Small layer. Yes, my peeps, the egg them there and go and start as it. I'm showing step by step, right? Yeah, man. Peeps, see? Egg them boiling now. Add some oil from pot right like this. Alright. That one at my peeps, see? Yeah. I'm showing step by step. Peeps have some scallion, onion, pepper, pimento, thyme, garlic. You can see them also. See all the spice them there. See scallion, onion, pepper, garlic, pimento, and thyme. Onion. And by same swim, see that? Alright, I have to do like this. Recipe is nice and easy. sweet corn. Spice like this. I'm going to spice up it now, please. I'm going to show them spice up it until you see. The recipe is going nice. Have some sauce like this. Add the sauce to it like this. Magnum. Some ketchup. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to taste it. Like taste flavor. Yeah, man. So if you want to come more salt or what, so I'm going to taste it now. Make it go and cook for 5 minutes. Add a little sugar to it like this to flavor it. Peeps, the recipe is nice, man. Eatable, tasteable. Yeah, man. Magnum shrimp. It's nice, man. Peeps, now get that extra flavor, you see? Come on. Get that extra flavor, right? Alright, peeps, it's still not ready enough. I'll give it like 6 more minutes to see it. Add the eggs to it now. See egg there? Yeah. Yeah, my peeps, the recipe ready now, you know? Yeah, man. Magnum shrimp ready and now. Yeah, my people, Magnum shrimps. Can't pronounce it good enough. Shrimp or shrimp, but I'm so pronounce it. Yeah, my peeps, recipe ready and now, you know? Yeah, man. Magnum shrimps ready and now, my people. Alright, my people, recipe ready and now, you can see. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps, see Magnum shrimps there, see egg there, see sweet corn, see rice, we have some white rice over there, also you can see it. Yeah, man, see the recipe ready and now, you know. Yeah, man, Magnum swims. Egg and things, sweet corn, see the rice there. We have some lime juice, natural simple lime juice right here. Recipe ready. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Alright, my people, the recipe ready and now is it. Up. Dude. Eatable. Flavorful. Recipe nice and tasty. Remember to like and share.